Hello there everyone, I'm the Wolf, and first of all, congratulations to all of you who took a trade in Stellar and booked 20% profits there. Huge profits, exact to the point analysis done, exact entry point, exact target profit. And yes, I will share the chart as well in couple of minutes, but this is live proof, guys. 10 days ago I took a trade on Stellar. The video is on my channel as well, and after that you can see yourself. You can open TradingView yourself and see the Stellar's chart right there. So I'm very happy to all those traders who took a trade on Stellar, but most importantly, I hope you did your own analysis as well and did a perfect money and risk management too. Okay, so guys, let's get into the charts. Now I'm on the Stellar's daily time frame chart, and this is the same chart. I have nothing touched on, nothing at all. These levels, all these zone right here, my stop loss, everything is same as it is. I have not touched anything. You can go back to watch my previous videos, these two videos right here, where I told you that when I will enter a trade and how will I manage my trade as well. So literally just 24 hours ago I made a video on Stellar that I am switching my stop loss from here to here, so that if the price gets a reversal to the downside also, still I'll book some profits and exit. And literally just 24 hours later our target has met exactly. You can clearly see this green daily candle, it exactly went up, its wick exactly went up to our target here, approx this, and then boom, dump again. So this is the power of levels and simple price action. This is the same zone that I have drawn. I have not changed it at all, and you can clearly see how the price went up straight, incessant move, and then exact at our target, and now it is dumping. So we all are the ones that we entered here at the bottom and we book our profits at the top. And this is what you all have to do. You have to buy the dip, this dip you have to buy, and then sell at the top. So many beginner traders do a mistake that they enter in a running market, like for example here or here or here, but this is not correct. You should buy at the dip. So I waited for the price of Stellar to come down a little bit here, and then I bought it at the dip exactly here, and now you can see the result as well. So this is how you should manage your trade. And this is not only about Stellar. You can watch every video of mine. I only talk about price action, that's it. So you can pick up any video and start watching it, because at least you will learn some price action too. Okay, so again, congratulations to all the traders who took this trade and booked awesome profits, as I've booked $20,000 plus here. So okay, so this is it for Stellars now. In some couple of next videos I will find another trade and will explain you the price action as always. Okay, so just a quick analysis on Ethereum. If you follow me on my Twitter, yesterday I posted a tweet stating that how the price is right now trying to go in this parallel channel again. You can clearly see how important this parallel channel is, how the parallel channel was rejecting the Ethereum's price wick by wick to the downside, and now the price has gave a breakout to the upside again. We can see a tweezer top pattern or a bearish pattern as well, as the bulls are getting stimulated, but what I guess is that the price will just come for a retest here and it can go up. But is it the right time to enter in a new trade on Ethereum? Well, I'll say no. Of course, do your own analysis as well, guys. Feel free to do your own analysis and take trade accordingly, but according to me right now I'll not trade Ethereum. Right now I'm on the different chart of Ethereum, and as we can clearly see, Ethereum was in a falling wedge right here, and if someone has bought over here at this support zone and this falling wedge trend line support zone, would have caught this whole movement right here with your own analysis, because I did not take a trade on Ethereum personally. So right now the Ethereum's price is at a very important zone, this golden zone. It is a very, I would say, immense zone for the Ethereum price, and you can clearly see it is getting rejected here. Well, if the price breaks this zone to the upside with a perfect volume candle or with a retest, then there can be a short long opportunity, small long opportunity, and the target can be this high, top of the falling wedge, because generally falling wedges are bullish patterns and their targets are always the high, and also the high is also a very important level right here. So yeah, this is a small opportunity, just wanting to let you know the important level. This level ranges between 1975 to 1170 1917, sorry. So yeah, this is it for today's video, and I'm on my Bybit app, and you can clearly see my realized profit and loss PNL, and you can clearly see this XLM USDT 2 trades that I took, 500,000 quantity each, and you can clearly see the exact timings when they were closed due to take profit, and you can see $10,000 in profits, and here also $10,000 in profits. So I'm not here to boast my profits or anything, but I'm here to show you that I am seriously managing my Bybit account as well. I know it is a demo account, but still I'm managing it pretty well, and this is a live proof of it. And the most important thing is to learn the analysis. See, taking a trade on the software, it is easy, but the main thing is to improve your psychology, improve your price action, improve your overall technical analysis. This is the most important thing. So yes guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you understand it, and now you believe that you should follow a mentor or a person who does what he says perfectly live on the videos. So yeah, this is it for today's video. If you want to trade any crypto, Stellar, Ethereum or Bitcoin, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description. You can get free $30,000 gift with the link in the description and in the comment box. Create an account for free. See you guys next time.